Since its independence in 1804, Haiti has been placed on its knees economically. Today, Haiti is hanging at the edge of a cliff and could at any time fall into the eternal abyss. How do we rescue our beloved country?
An economic revolution.
An economic revolution? By who?
The Haitian diaspora, silly.
How can the diaspora achieve this?
Well, there's only one option. We can open new business and create a lot of jobs for the millions of people with no jobs who are starving.
Bad idea. Too much insecurity. We'll all die.
Then that's not a good option.
Wait a minute. We can start thinking out of the box and start an economic revolution right here without ever stepping foot in Haiti.
How do you propose we do that?
By investing in our people in Haiti. With a one-time investment of $90, we can change our country in less than 5 years.
Wow, just $90? How is that possible?
You're so silly. It's called wealth distribution. The concept is simple and effective. Each member of the diaspora invests only $90 one time, which covers them and 4 people in Haiti. It could be 4 friends or family members. And the good thing about it is they don't have to do anything else. They can just sit and watch that money grow. I call it wealth distribution. When the money transfer to Haiti is blocked by the Obama administration, the country is not producing crops. The people are starving. We have to be smart. We have to think outside the box and take the next available option. Quite frankly, it's not a bad option. In fact, it's our only option.
If it's true that a $90 one-time investment can bring my people economic freedom, what have we got to lose? On with the revolution. Join the revolution. Log on to legacy509.com today.